In front of me is Realme GT and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Realme. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this app from this developer, DevCheck device and system info from Flare2. When it's ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!